Okay, so there's a couple of things I want to go over with you guys real quick that I just want you to take a look at so that this way you understand where some of this is coming from. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the triangle sum theorem. Now, the triangle sum theorem, can someone tell me how many degrees are in a triangle, like total, if you added up all those angles? 180. Okay, so there's actually a theorem that goes with that. We're not going to watch the video for this, but this is just to kind of show you guys. That whole idea is called the triangle sum theorem, where the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C in a triangle equal 180. So we're going to take a look at that first in our Delta math. So take a look at example 1. So it says the measure of the angles of a triangle are shown in the figure below. Solve for x. So we have 64, 40, and x. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 64. If I don't let me write. There we go. 64 plus 40 plus x equals 180. Now what's 64 plus 40? 104. So if 104 plus x equals 180, I subtract the 104 from each side. So someone tell me, what does x equal here? There you go. Oh my gosh. Sorry, this thing's acting all sorts of funky. There we go. So x is equal to 76 degrees. Okay, so that triangle sum theorem is actually pretty straightforward. Okay? Questions on this? All right. So let's move on to the next example. Here's example 2. So now we're going to add a little bit of algebra. We still know that all of these are equal to 180, but they just want us to solve for x. So in this case, I'm going to have 8x plus 15 plus 75 plus 42. Oops. Equals 180. When I add the 15 plus 75 plus 42, I get 132. So this is 8x plus 132 equals 180. I subtract 132 from each side. That gives me 48. I divide by 8. So I get x is equal to 6. And that's what I would type in for number 2. Any questions on this so far? Is it making sense where this is coming from? Anybody still writing, or is time? Are we okay to move on? What was it? Oh, I don't know. Off the top of my head, I can't remember. What was number 1, guys? What was it? 76. Okay. All right, let's take a look at number 3. All right, so it says in triangle STU, the measure of angle S is 5x plus 4. Measure of angle T is 4x plus 18, or minus 18. And the measure of angle U is 2x plus 7. What is the value of x? So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm just going to draw my triangle. Here, they tell me it's STU. So this is STU. I'm going to substitute in 5x plus 4. For the measure of angle T, I have 4x minus 18. And for the measure of angle U, I have 2x plus 7. So I'm still going to just add these up and set them equal to 180 degrees. So this is going to be 5x plus 4 plus 4x minus 18 plus 2x plus 7 equals 180. I'm going to combine my like terms. This leaves me with 9, looks like 10, 11x. I have 4, that leaves me with negative 14. Let's see, I got like 21, I think. Negative 20, no, wait. 4 minus 18 plus 7. Negative 7, sorry. And from here we solve. I'm going to add the 7 to each side. That leaves me with 11x equals 187. And I divide both sides by 11, giving me x is equal to 17. How are we doing, guys? Any questions? All right. Everybody's still writing? All right. Let's go back. All right, example 4. So again, this is kind of the same thing. Why don't you guys give this one a shot, but do not enter it until we go over it, okay? Give this one a shot on your own. Did anybody solve for x yet? Anybody? Bless you. Got 17 for x. All right, should we check it out? Just x. Just x. Anybody need to see this? Because she is right. It is x equals 17. Okay, so let's go over it real quick. So remember, these are the 3 angles of the triangle. Like if I drew it out again, I would have it. So this will be 3x minus 7 plus 7x minus 8 plus 2x minus 9 equals 180 degrees. Everybody with me so far? Okay, so I'm going to combine my like terms. Looks like I got 12x here. Oops, sorry. No equal sign. Don't know why I added that. All right, but then I'm going to combine -7, -8, and -9. I got -24. This equals 180. I'm going to add the 24 to both sides. This will be 12x equals, looks like 204. And then 204 divided by 12 leaves you with x equals 17. Now, but this is not my final answer, right? That's why I said pause, don't add in anything yet, because what they want us to actually find here is the measure of angle O. So I'm going to take the 17 and I'm going to substitute it into angle O. So the measure of angle O equals 7 times 17 minus 8. I got 111. Oops. Why do I keep adding things that do not need to be there? There we go. So in that case, the measure of angle O is 111 degrees. Any questions on that? Going once, going twice? Okay, ready for the next example? Anybody writing this down? I'm just making sure before I clear it. Alrighty. Last example, and then you get to just do your homework, okay? Okay, so in triangle KLM, KM is extended through point M to point N. M, the measure of angle LMN is 6x plus 0 degrees. Weird that they put 0 there, but that's okay. The measure of MKL is equal to 2x plus 13, and the measure of KLM is 2x plus 17. Find the measure of KLM. So this brings us to the next theorem I want to discuss with you guys, and that's this guy. So this is the triangle exterior angle theorem. And what this says is that the measure of each exterior angle is of a triangle equals the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. So this 3 and 2 end up being remote interior angles. If I added those two up, I get the exterior angle that's on the opposite side of them. Okay? Not this guy, the one outside. All right? So that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to set this up. Okay? So looking at this, they're telling us we have triangle, looks like KLM. So we have, let's say, let's do this. We'll do K, then L, then M. And then they're saying is extended through point M to N. So if I just add like a point here, that's what they're talking about. Now they're saying, now you got to look at each individual angle. The measure of LMN. So here's L, here's M, here's N. So this exterior angle is 6x. I'm not even going to put 0, which is 6x, okay? We have MKL. So here's M to K to L. This guy is 2x plus 13. And then we have KLM. So K to L to M. This is 2x plus 17. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two, add them together, and it's going to equal the 6x. So I'm going to have 2x plus 17 plus 2x plus 13 equals 6x. I'm going to combine my like terms. That's 4x. It should be 30. I'm going to subtract the 4x from each side. I just like keeping x positive if I can. So this is 30 equals 2x. And I divide both sides by 2. So I get x is equal to 15. So there's the first part. And now I'm going to take that and I'll substitute into KLM. So here's KLM. So we're talking about this guy right here. So this is going to be 2 times 15 plus 17. And that gives me a total degree measure of 47 degrees. How are we doing on this one? Do you guys want to see another one? I can add it in real quick. You just have to hit refresh on the Delta Math. Who wants to see another one? Show hands. All it takes is one person? Okay. Let me get one more. Okay. I'm going to assign this one specifically. Just give me a minute to add it in. Example 6. Okay. I'm going to complete the edit. Give me 1 second. All right. So if you guys kind of hit refresh, it should be there. I have to hit refresh too, I think. Yeah, it should be there. Do you guys see it? Yes? Okay. All right, let's try this one more time. Okay, so this says we have in triangle HIJ. Okay, so here's triangle. We're going to do H. We're going to do I. We're going to do J. Okay, saying HJ is extended through point J to point K. So here's K. And I'm just kind of extending that line to have that exterior angle. So they're saying JHI, so this angle right here is x plus 5. Angle IJK, so I to J to K, this outside angle is 6x plus 3. Then we have HIJ, H to I to J is 2x plus 13. So when we set this up, because we're trying to get the exterior angle, it's this plus this equals this. So this is going to be 2x plus 13 plus x plus 5 equals 6x plus 3. Everybody with me so far? I'm going to combine my like terms. That gives me 3x. I'm going to add those together. That gives me 18. This is 6x plus 3. I'm going to, right now, I'm going to subtract the 3x from each side. That leaves me with 18 equals 3x plus 3. Let's subtract the 3 from each side. That leaves me with 15 equals 3x. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So that leaves me with x equals 5. So there's my x. Any questions on this so far? How are we doing? Does everybody see where that's coming from? All right. I'm looking for JHI. Okay. So JHI is right here. So I'm going to substitute in 5 plus 5. So that means JHI is actually 10 degrees. And there's my answer. What can I address for you guys? Are there any questions? outside of these examples, everything is a Delta math. So you can redo these at your leisure. It's not like the last one where we had those specialty problems, okay? Absolutely no reason you can't get 100% on this. All right, if you have questions, please ask and see me. Is there anything I can address, though, before I cut off the video? Any questions at all? All right, you have half the period to get your homework done. Go for it. Those of you watching at home, have a great